Okay, friends, so let's start with our fifth session. Now, first, we will discuss that if you want to prepare both these subjects by yourself, then what you have to do. Okay, for preparing subjects yourself, say suppose you want to prepare sociology, then first, as discussed with you, that first you should read all the NCRTs. That's our must. Then you can get resources from IGNU Gyan Kosh. This is the best way to get reading materials for graduation level for any of the subject. I don't remember the URL now, but you can get more information from internet. You just have to register, and remember all the documents are free. You just need to register, and then you can download these documents. I have gone through public administration and sociology, and they are quite good. So you can also get an in-depth reading for these subjects. Apart from this, there are several uh, textbooks other than NCRTs that you can refer, or you can also refer to some of the other websites, or you can seek guidance from some of the other websites. One such website is indianofficer.com. I am sure that you are aware of this. This is a forum where you can get fellow aspirants, where you can ask them questions and you can get a lot of information about the various textbooks which you can uh, read for preparing or for self-study. Other than this, for preparing yourself, you need to devote much more time and you have to prepare your notes as well. But the only advantage of learning yourself or reading yourself and preparing yourself is like you will get enough time for self-study, because if you attend classes, then most of the time you will be busy writing and jotting down the notes and then fearing it in your house, and then so time constraints will be there. So best of luck your preparation. Next point which we have to discuss, I'm sorry for this messed up screen, but I hope you don't mind. So how to read subjects, that is already covered. Now we will talk about methods to use while in job to prepare. Okay, the method which worked for me, I will be sharing that. Right? My commuting time from my office was around 2 hours. So 2 hours a day means, if I talk about 30, then 60 hours daily, and 2 hours a day is one side for me. So this means I can devote 120 hours a month for my studying. So how I have utilized that 120 hours is like, I have not invented, but I have worked several different ways. Like, I on weekends I record. Obviously I have not subtracted the weekend hours in this, but still it doesn't matter because my Saturday was not off. So record the audios. So if you talk about, then I have recorded the complete Spectrum India on weekends, and then while commuting from car daily, I used to listen it again and again and again. So this makes me really good on Indian history part, especially the modern India. So I make it a timeline. So in this way, I have recorded the complete chapters, and then I listen to them. Other than this, I have downloaded some videos on science lectures, some on economy. So I read them, listen them while commuting. So in this way, and especially news. So my timings was right from 8 to 9. I travel 7:30 to 9. It's not exactly 2 hours, but 1.5 hours in morning and more than 2 hours in the evening because of pathetic traffic conditions in Delhi. Sorry for going off topic, but this time at I listen to news starting from 8 to 8:30. This is the news time, but I start my radio or tune in at 7:30 because at 7:30 a very good informative program comes on radio that is called Aaj Savere, if I remember correctly. Savere, right? And after that, so this is the part for my morning. And while coming back from office, I usually listen to these these audio lectures and all. So by this way, I have utilized my time, and whenever I have time, if I'm waiting for someone, say suppose in my car, or I'm going to market with my mom or with any family members, I prefer to sit in my car and wait, and then I start listening to my recordings or videos on my phone. So in this way, I found that for the first year, I have worked really hard in making my basics clear. Okay, and on the another side, uh, and hopefully this is helping me in my preparation. I have also used some techniques for text to speech programs, and I have also used a portable scanner called Scanny, by which I used to scan my books. I convert them into PDFs, and I convert them with OCR, it's optical recognition. I convert them to text, and then that particular text I convert into voice, to MP3 files to listen. Okay, so this is so author has worked really hard in writing these books. So please don't ask me that I should share my MP3 files or the PDFs which I have created, because that will be privacy, and we should honor the authors which have given us so many important books, right? So next part is notes making. So notes making I have already covered here, that I have created notes in this way. Though I have used a highlighter to highlight in the main